Hey guys, this is a video in my scientific calculator tutorial series. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add, subtract, multiply, and divide time in hours, minutes, and seconds form on the Casio scientific calculator. The model I have here is a Casio Fx-300 Ms, but the features should be same on similar model calculators. Without further ado, let's get to it. First, we are going to add 1 hour, 30 minutes, and 40 seconds to 2 hours, 15 minutes, and 35 seconds. First, we will type in 1 on the number pad and then press this button right here. So this appears on the screen. After that, we're going to type in 30 and press the same button again. And we're going to type in 40 and press the button one more time. This tells the calculator that the entry is in hours and then minutes and seconds. You have to end with the symbol also. That's telling the calculator where the entry ends. After that, we can add. So we're going to add 2 hours, 15 minutes, and 35 seconds. So this is what it looks like. Now just press enter and the calculator will return an answer in this form. So the first number is the hours, then minutes, and then finally seconds. So this is 3 hours, 46 minutes, and 15 seconds. If you don't end the entry with this symbol, then you'll get then the calculator will tell you that there is a syntax error. If you wanted to do subtraction, you would follow the same procedure, only with the subtraction sign. That's the only difference. Now let's say you didn't need hours. Your entries are in minutes and seconds. You would still need to type in 0 as a placeholder for the hours. Otherwise, the calculator will interpret the entry as being in hours. For example, let's add 30 minutes and 21 seconds to 12 seconds. So first we're going to type in, let's clear this out. First we're going to type in 0 as a placeholder for the hours. Press this button, so you have this. Then type in 30, press the button again, and we have 21 seconds. Press this button. So this is what the entry looks like. To that we're going to add 0 hours, 0 minutes, and 12 seconds. And press enter. And the calculator is telling us the answer is 0 hours, 30 minutes, and 33 seconds. On the other hand, if you didn't have any seconds and you ended at minutes, you wouldn't need to type in a placeholder for the seconds. For example, let's say you're adding, let's clear this out once again, adding 1 hour and 30 minutes to, let's say something like 13 seconds, so 0, 0, and 13. This is what the entry looks like. Press equals. And the calculator is telling you the answers in 1 hour, 30 minutes, and 13 seconds. You didn't need to type in 0 as a placeholder for the seconds. You'd only need to type it in if it's to the left of the numbers. If you want to multiply or divide, you need to insert parentheses around the time. For example, let's say you want to multiply 3 hours, 30 minutes, and 40 seconds by 3.5. First, let's clear this out again. First, open a parenthesis, type in 3 hours, 30 minutes, and 40 seconds. So this is what it looks like. Then close the parenthesis off. Then multiply by 3.5 like this. Press equals and we get the answer. I hope this video helps. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments section. I'll try my best to help. If you haven't already, please subscribe. Check out other videos on my channel, especially the graphing and scientific calculator tutorial series. Follow my channel on Facebook. And until next time, take care, guys.